Okay, I'm gonna put my new fish in here. This water has been aging for almost a week. It's heated. I got 2 things of filters, but these fish that I have in here from Oranda are gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna keep them in here for about 2 weeks, and then the pet shop boys that are up there keeping that tank, the filter alive, will be coming down here in the 29-gallon tank that I have down here. It's right here. We're actually making a sub pump. That's one below. The second one's where they're going to go, or the one up on top, which we haven't fixed. We haven't done anything with the 29 that's up there. We'll probably be hanging it from the ceiling. We don't know, but that's just temporary right there. So they'll probably go in that 55-gallon tank, my pet shop boys, and then the fish that I'm getting right here, I'll put them upstairs in the 75-gallon, and they'll be there for about 2 or 3 months. So I'm going to put them in the water. These are the ones I got from Oranda. I believe this is a little boy. I'm calling him Marco. And I'm going to have to squeeze him in there. I have the temperature set at 72. And I believe this is a little girl. I'm going to call her Melanie. They'll be in here. Ooh, I hope the water doesn't overfill. I'll keep them in here for about an hour. But I'm going to leave them in this tank for about 2 weeks, because I think that's when we're going to get done with this over here is 2 weeks. And all this water that I'm cleaning out of here, I'm actually going to put in there so I can keep as you know, leave the ammonia to get the filter started. Which then you have these filters up here. See these ones up here? I'm pointing the wrong way. The ones up here, they will go down. They will go into this one of these tanks here for a little bit. So that's how we're gonna do it. So I'll show you. Well, here's my babies. These are Zoas fancies. 2 of my Zoas decide to lay eggs and spawn in the 125-gallon tank. So I grabbed all the fake plants that were there and I incubated them. And here's some of them right here. And I have to separate them. I have to separate them more because I'm doing water changes every day. You know, because of the ammonia level. And those little filters don't do much. And these here, my pet shop boys decided to spawn. And up there is my snails. And this here is my comet that lives outside in the pond. Here's these guys. So I'm going to acclimate them for a little bit. And these are my water. This is aged for a week. This goes upstairs. These are aged for a week. Right now I'm emptying this one. And as soon as that one's empty, I fill it back up, and then I start using this water. And I have a bubbler in it. You know, I'm aerating in it. I put all the stuff that needed to be in there, the salt, everything. And I have a heater for each one. It's set at 74 degrees because it's cold right now. So, you know, that way the heater doesn't keep running. And this is for my brine shrimp, for my little babies. And these are all my heaters. I got the setup as heaters, those little filters that I bought. These are empty boxes. That's how many heaters I've been using, except for 2 of them. They broke, so I just kept the boxes. So, that's my setup. Oh, that's it. Happy fish. I love fish. Oh, and I'm a beekeeper, so I like bees too. Gotta put that in there.